The mission of our center is to harness science and technology to drive sustainable development, support humanitarian action, and foster peace. In our center, we concentrate on people living in extreme vulnerability, which means people living in extreme poverty, in humanitarian crisis, or situations of conflicts and violence. We bring together science and technology, researchers, students and academics on the one hand, international organizations, NGOs, state actors, philanthropists and foundations on the other hand, and together we try to address the challenges of extreme vulnerability. Virtually any EPFL researcher or student can potentially play an important role in addressing issues of extreme vulnerability. And many would like to. The question is how. It isn't just about throwing technology at problems. We need to start by properly understanding the problems, which are part of complex systems and require multidisciplinary approaches. To make this work concretely, our center has developed a methodology which aims to generate a large-scale impact on society. I will give two examples of our past successes. In the first, the problem was that 2/3 of humanity don't have access to medical diagnostic imaging. Together with EPFL labs, partners in Switzerland and in Africa, we have completely redesigned an X-ray solution adapted to the context of low-income countries. This has led to the creation of a startup company which has started deploying in sub-Saharan Africa. In the second example, we launched a vast collaboration called Engineering Humanitarian Action, together with EPFL, ETH Zurich, and the International Committee of the Red Cross. This has allowed to launch a dozen impactful projects. Among those is the Agelis prosthetic foot, a robust, low-cost foot prosthesis which costs 40 times less than existing solutions. Our projects have led to the launch of 2 startups and 2 technology transfer. A third startup is on its way. We note that the environmental crisis is a root cause for future vulnerability. We need to concentrate on addressing future extreme vulnerability by preserving the environment. We have gained significant experience in harnessing science and technology to address extreme poverty and humanitarian crisis. We are now convinced that the same is possible to address issues of violence and armed conflicts. What we call Peace Tech is, we are convinced, a very important direction for the future of our center. With our partners in International Geneva, we're exploring how science and technology can contribute to a lasting peace.